Hello, and good morning to African World Traveler. We are live in Blackpool today. It's been a while. I hope you guys are missing us. It's been a while, guys, since we last been to Blackpool Town Centre. And this is what's going on here. The government building is still on. Construction is still going. So hopefully they will open this year. The WDP building will be open this year, we hope so. So here's how it looks at the moment. They're trying to sort out, I believe, the car parking, some pavement, some digging, architecting, all that going, slabs. Sorting out all the slabs, pavements, name it, they're on it. See there, bang, 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 bang. It's early morning though, guys. Just 9 a.m. in the morning. Man is taking pictures as well, making sure everyone is doing their jobs. Yeah, is it the foreman? He's taking pictures. See that? There, making the pavements. And he's unwrapping the pavements. Getting the chainsaw started. So well done. Pumping the water, making wet so I can easily cut. Okay guys, let's go, let's keep moving guys. That's not the only thing we got to show you. It's our first time being back in Blackpool for 2025. Blackpool Town Centre. That's the Talbot car park. If you're going to the gym, you have to go through this car park here if you're driving. See? And if you're working for the council as well. So you gotta get like a token coming here. It's not pay for use. So yeah. Yeah. Make sure you bag it. Bag it, bag it, bag it. Bag it. Bag it. Make sure you do it. Bag it, got a bag out. Yeah. They put some trees around. So they put some trees. So it's looking good there already. Gonna put trees around. Bit of like painting going on here. I am Batman. Look at that there. I am Batman. Let me zoom in for that. I am Batman. See that? That's a bit of an artwork going there. Some graffiti, some graffiti. This is not cold, you see? It's got no leggings on, nothing. See a bit of a painting here. Color nomads. Color nomads. Okay. Alright, let's walk through right. Walk. I'm not sure if you could find John somewhere. It'd be nice to see John again. It'd be nice to see John again. Let's just got through, guys. I think she was hiding her face. Doesn't want to appear in our video. It's 9 AM, guys. Oh, is my man not here now? It's the guy that was selling the phones, isn't it? It's that Toilette call. Okay. Is my man not here anymore? I'll get his takeaway. He must packed him with the business. Out of business. Electronic convenience shop. Mobile, oh no, that's the one I thought it was. But yeah. Welcome, guys. It's been a while. It's been a while. We've not been out in Blackpool Town Centre. But we're back again. The weather didn't allow us. It was freezing cold, and not only freezing cold, but it was snowing. And actually, we've been busy with work and busy with life. That place opens early, you know. Taipan, is it open? Oh, they're getting some preps. I know the chicken place is open. Forgot what is it called. It's where most of the workers come and have their breakfast. I've been doing barbecue. It's a barbecue place. The barbecue place. Yeah. It's just the mid plates already. Chicken legs already. Keep away from this place, man. Waste of money. Keep away from it. No gambling, man. Ooh, it's wet. It's a wet day, guys. Wet. It's spitting down a bit. It's not raining, but yeah, it's wet. Guys, it's today, Monday morning in Blackpool. That's a fancy scooter, guys. Calf 25. Got grandpa's scooter with the crutches on. Road closed here. 8, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13. 10 AM till 11 PM. Guys, we just buy a winter garden. Somebody's smoking some marijuana, some herbs. Smell it, man. Man, your local butcher. Oh, there's a lot of lorries here, man. Wow, they all offloading. Wow. There's Blackpool Council waiting for the Christmas tree still up. Is it not gonna be bad luck for the town? Christmas tree is still up, man. Shouldn't be off now. Shouldn't be taken off and stored away till next Christmas. What do you think? Right. There's a lot of lorries here. There's a lot of lorries. What's going on? This thing going on in Winter Garden? Must be. They're uploading the lorries. Must be something going on. Oh, they're packing up, they're taking stuff back. They're offloading, they're all unloading. Winter Garden. Oh, sorry. Man just nearly walked into me. I still gotta say sorry. That's how polite I am, that's how nice I am. It's a milkman. Oh, the Squid Game. Ticket on sale. Have you been to Blackpool this end? Have you been this end before, guys? Have you? Yes or no? One for yes, two for no. Blackpool. What's up? Scream and Shake. Okay. Scream and Shake shop. It's a scary shop. Okay. Right. Guys, it's only 9 AM in the morning. And this is how it looks in Blackpool. Wet. It's wet. It's quiet at the moment. Everything is quiet. It's not gonna be many people out and about, I guess. I see something. Oh, Britain Got Talent. It's Britain Got Talent here in Blackpool, so they're packing up. Okay. Britain Got Talent in Blackpool. Backing up. I missed it.